Hey guys, Jordan here from Utemaster and I've got Josh with me. We're going to run through a question we get all the time. That is, if I'm fitting the Centurion canopy or the load lid to my ute, do I need to drill into my tub, Josh?
No, so you don't need to drill into your tub. The Utemaster Centurion canopy and the Utemaster load lid are secured into the existing mounting points in the tub. So what we do is we remove the existing mounting points, the Utemaster brackets then get secured into this here, and then the tie points go back over top.
If you want to see how strong our mounts really are, check out our Strong Bones series, where we put all our products to the test with a range of stunts. Another common question we get is the install time for our products. Josh, how long does it take to install the canopy or the load lid?
Yeah, so it does depend totally on what accessories you get with the Utemaster products. So typically a standard Centurion canopy, you're looking at around 2 to 2.5 hours for the install, and for a Utemaster load lid, you're looking at around 1 hour. If you have accessories such as central locking, internal lighting, rear view camera, these could add on additional 30 minutes to the time.
Josh, the Centurion canopy is not a flat pack canopy. What is the advantage with our products coming as a complete system?
Yeah, it's a good question, Jordan. One advantage of receiving this product fully assembled is you don't need to pre-assemble this prior to installation. It's just a matter of taking it out of the box and installing it onto the ute.
A thing to watch out for with flat pack canopies is the weatherproofing. Why is this, Josh?
We've had people reach out to us that have had these flat pack canopies in the past, and what they've found is that if they don't bolt these or seal these correctly, water will get inside and damage your gear.
When it comes to installing the Centurion canopy or load lid, is this something that I can do myself?
This is definitely something that you can do yourself, and a lot of people opt to do this here. This would not void the warranty in any way.
If I don't want to get this installed myself, what are the alternative options?
Yeah, so there's a couple of different options that you can choose. The first one being you can purchase this here back through the vehicle dealership. If you were to do this here, the dealership service department would take care of the fitting for you, meaning that when you come to collect your vehicle, it's good to go. Alternatively, you could purchase this directly from Utemaster. We can have this sent to an installer closest to you. You would need to keep in mind that if you did select or opt for this, there would be a fitting charge included.
Either way, the product is designed to fit clean on your ute without modifying it.
This means there's no holes left in the tub, meaning this does not lower the resale value of the vehicle.
Please comment below or reach out with any further questions on this.